Hello students, good morning and Jai Hind. I am Sameer Kumar Gaur. I am your computer teacher for class 11th. So I am teaching about informatic practices, formerly known as IP. So students, I will discuss about everything about your syllabus. The first chapter is hardware concept. Now you know that about our present day life is so automatic that most of the tasks are completed with a click of a button. Washing has been taken over by washing machine, cooking by a microwave, conventional banking has been replaced by ATM etc. In every sphere of life, machines dominate human efforts. Have you ever wondered what mechanisms work behind this machine? In fact, in all these machines, a click of a button stamp of a process inside the machine, in which something can be very complex one. Generally students, हम ये जानते हैं कि हमारी मॉडर्न लाइफ बेस्ड ऑन गैजेट फ्रेंडली हो चुकी है. हम एवरी कॉन्सेप्ट एंड फैक्ट्स एंड टास्क को कंप्लीट करने के लिए जस्ट लाइक एज ए बैंकिंग, ट्रैवलिंग, ऑनलाइन बुकिंग, just like as a ticket, messaging, calling, every type of task को complete करने के लिए हम गैजेट और डिवाइस का यूज़ करते हैं. बेसिकली जो हमें मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट की नीड है, हमें नॉलेज चाहिए, वो पार्ट है हमारा कंप्यूटर. सो कंप्यूटर इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ आवर लाइफ. सो वी हैव टू स्टडी अबाउट कंप्यूटर knowledge. A computer is an electronic device that process input data and produce result output according to set of instruction called program. Program just like as a collection of instruction means according to user हम किसी भी हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज के थ्रू प्रोग्राम्स को जनरेट करते हैं एंड कलेक्शन ऑफ प्रोग्राम जिसे आप सॉफ्टवेयर बोलते हो. एवरी मशीन हैज़ ए पर्टिकुलर एंड यूनिक सॉफ्टवेयर that process is working based on a software. मीन्स किसी भी डिवाइस और गैजेट्स के लिए हम सेट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन और प्रोग्राम जिसे आप सॉफ्टवेयर भी बोलते हो उसे डिज़ाइन करते हैं और हम सिस्टम में ऑलरेडी फीड करते हैं, जिसके अकॉर्डिंग हमारे किसी भी टास्क को ईजी वे में परफॉर्म किया जाता है. स्टूडेंट्स, जैसा कि हम नेक्स्ट पार्ट में देख सकते हैं हमारा कंप्यूटर का इंट्रोडक्शन. तो कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर के कॉन्सेप्ट को समझने के लिए हम ये समझते हैं व्हाट इज़ द बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ दिस चैप्टर, द हार्डवेयर कॉन्सेप्ट. द लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव इज, आफ्टर लर्निंग दिस चैप्टर द स्टूडेंट विल बी एबल टू, द फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज अंडरस्टैंड फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ ए कंप्यूटर, लर्न अबाउट वेरियस इनपुट डिवाइस, लर्न अबाउट वेरियस आउटपुट डिवाइस, learn about secondary storage device with primary storage device. Basically understand data and instruction from flow using communication basis and port. In your next slide, this is a block diagram of computer. Computer is made by two parts generally, that is known as a hardware and software. Software is a set of instruction and collection of program that is known as a software, but in this chapter we will discuss about only hardware. The hardware is basically four types. The first is input device, second is output, third is storage, and last one is a processing device. But all the type of hardware connect to one unit, create or contain, that is a computer. That is a, in this block diagram, that is a monitor, and monitor is used to display all the type of visual output, and speaker that is used for voice output, and keyboard is like as a input device, input all the text or instruction in our computer. Mouse is used for clicking instruction and selecting instruction, and the case is most important part. Generally every user that is known as a CPU. This is the most important part of the computer, that is known as a CPU or cabinet. Cabinet collect all the type of internal devices, just like as a power supply, DVD ROM drive, motherboard, CPU fan, RAM, VGA card, sound card, hard disk, reader, all in one internal. So all the type of gadget connect with a motherboard and collect in case. So this is a complete diagram of the computer. And the next one is input process output, that is known as a IPU cycle. The every input device input the instruction to our computer, and CPU collect all the type of instruction by the input device and calculate by the three types of unit, that is known as a arithmetic logic unit, CU control unit, and register, that is a memory unit. Memory is two type. The first is primary and then second is secondary device. Primary memory, that is known as a main memory. Main memory is two types. The first is ROM and second is RAM. ROM is read only memory, that is a register memory, is used for read all the type of instruction and program, and RAM is random access memory, that is a very temporary memory. During the working process hold all the type of software during the processing time, and after the complete processing computer gives the output by the output device. So students, you know that the diagram, monitor is output device, speaker is output device, and printer is also output device. Input and processing and then output, the complete three process generally known as a IPU cycle. So next one is block diagram of functional unit of a computer. So same like as input device instruction give to the CPU, and CPU have two unit, CU and ALU control unit, control all the type of input and output result and devices, and ALU means arithmetic logic, calculate all the type of binary inputs and proceed and produce the output result. And memory, main memory is the control the processing time memory, that is a volatile. After switch off and electricity off, that memory is clear and all the data is washed. And the secondary memory, that is known as the auxiliary memory, is various type of devices, just like a CD, DVD, hard disk, and then floppy disk, that is a permanently storage device, store all the type of data, file and folder, music, video, audio, and then every type of data. And after the processing our data give the output result by the output device, that is the complete functional unit of a computer. तो नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट्स, हम ये समझते हैं कि हमारा कंप्यूटर और हमारे बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर किस तरीके से किसी भी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करते हैं. जस्ट लाइक एज ए यू हैव ए प्रॉब्लम 2 + 3 = and after 2 + 3 = calculating by the computer and your mind give the result is same 5, but how it be possible? Computer need a input device, a processing device, and output device, same like as a human, input body part, processing body part, and output body part. So input device just like as a keyboard, and human input body part just like as the ear and eyes, and processing part CPU, and then human processing part is mind, and output computer part is monitor, and then speaker, and then printer, and same like as a human body part is your mouth and then your hand. So next one is input, output, and both device. Some devices just like as a keyboard, optical pen, joystick, scanner, barcode reader is used for input the instruction as text wise, and then light wise, scanning wise, and direction wise, and then image wise, and code or encode wise. Input all the type of instruction into a computer by the input device. But some output device just like as a headphone, headset, laser printer, screen, plotter, inkjet printer, speakers are known as a output device, produce the output various type of data just like as a voice, visual, and hard paper, and then image format. So some devices are confusing device, that is known as a input or output. So in this circle between intersection point is just like as a digital camera, pen drive, touch screen, webcam, fax machine, and modem, or both type of device means input or output. So next one is some input device just like as a keyboard. In your book the more explanation about your keyboard. Keyboard is the most important part of input device. Generally we are using to any type of instruction give the computer. Keyboard has a various type of keys just like as a functional keys F1 to F12, control key just like as a shift, control, @ Windows, Alt, and then tab key, and then directional key up, left, right, and down, and numeric keypad in right hand side all the keys 0 to 9 digit and plus minus equal to and then sub symbols, that is a numeric keypad, and A to Z is alphabetic keys, and then some special keys that is known as a symbolic key. Symbolic key has a two symbol. The first bottom symbol is used to normally, and then above symbol is working with shift key. So next one is mouse. Mouse is the same input device. This is the most important part. Click and select by the any type of object by the mouse. Mouse has three keys. Left button is used for select the any type of component, button, and object, and wheel that is known as a scroller. Scroller is used to scroll the page up to down direction, and then right button key is used to click the shortcut menu and any type of property open by this key. So next one is storage device. Storage device is the most important part of in this chapter, but we will discuss about the next term and next class. So thank you students. आज के इस टॉपिक में आपको कंप्यूटर के हार्डवेयर की नॉलेज, आईपीयू साइकिल, एंड देन इनपुट डिवाइस एंड आउटपुट डिवाइस के बारे में एक्सप्लेन किया गया है. इन सभी प्रोसेस को आप रीड एंड रिवाइज करोगे बुक से. एंड द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में हम स्टोरेज डिवाइस, प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी स्टोरेज डिवाइस के कंप्लीट स्ट्रक्चर एंड मेमोरी यूनिट को डिस्कस करेंगे. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच. हैव ए नाइस डे.